Welcome back to Product Critique, where we delve into the best household products to make your life easier. Today, we're excited to introduce a game-changer in the realm of kitchen cleaning, the VTMCUI Multipurpose Wire Dishwashing Rags. If you're looking for the best multifunctional cleaning rags that can tackle everything from stubborn grease to delicate surfaces, you're in the right place. These innovative rags are not just your ordinary cleaning cloths. They're designed to be multifunctional, making your cleaning tasks more efficient and enjoyable. Each pack comes with 10 high-quality rags that are perfect for both wet and dry cleaning. Made from a unique blend of microfiber and silver wire, these rags promise durability and effectiveness without scratching your surfaces. So, how do these rags work? The microfiber material is engineered to attract dirt, grime, and grease, ensuring that you get a thorough clean every time. All you need to do is wet the rag slightly, and it's ready to wipe down any surface, from dishes to countertops and even stainless steel appliances. The unique wire design helps lift away stuck-on food and tough stains, making them a must-have for anyone who loves cooking and entertaining. Using the VTMCUI rags is simple. Just dampen one with a little water and you're set to go. They're great for cleaning everything from tiles to stovetops. And they even excel in polishing windows and mirrors, leaving a streak-free shine behind. Not only do they make everyday cleaning tasks easier, but they also save you time, allowing you to focus on what really matters, spending time with family and friends. Now, let's talk about maintenance. After your cleaning job is done, caring for these rags is a breeze. A little mild detergent, a quick rinse, and air drying is all it takes to get them ready for your next cleaning session. This means you can use them again and again without worrying about wear and tear, making them an eco-friendly choice too. One of the standout features of these rags is their versatility. Whether you're cleaning dishes, scrubbing countertops, or polishing your car, these rags are designed to handle it all. They are perfect for both household and outdoor cleaning tasks, making them truly multifunctional. You can even use them in your garage or workshop to clean tools and equipment. In summary, if you're on the hunt for the best multifunctional cleaning rags, look no further than the VTMCUI Multipurpose Wire Dishwashing Rags. Their unique design, ease of use, and versatility make them a fantastic addition to any home. So why not elevate your cleaning game? Grab a pack of these amazing rags today and experience the difference for yourself. Thank you for watching Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update on the best products for your home. See you in the next video.